maxima and minima, and in that we have done number of questions, but still few questions are left with us. So let us go for them. Question number one question more I'm doing from the exercise, then we will jump to the miscellaneous exercise. So 24 or 26, anyone I need to take? So 26. See, in this question, show that the semi-vertical angle of a right circular cone of given surface area. In this surface area is given to us, right circular cone. I suppose you remember the meaning of right circular cone. It is radius and height are making an angle 90 degree. So in this case, this is H, this is R, this is one is slant height. Now, its surface area is given to us. Surface area means total surface area is given to us. Total surface area is pi r L plus pi r square area of this. This is the total surface area. Show that the semi-vertical angle of a right circular cone of given surface area and maximum volume to be maximized. So volume is equals to 1 by 3 pi r square h. I need to convert it into one variable. So the value of h will be going to put 1 by 3 pi r square. H can be written as under root L square minus R square. Now value of L I need to put from this. So the value of L will be area minus pi R square upon pi R. Area minus pi R square upon pi R will be the value of L. This I need to put in place of L over here. So it will become 1 by 3 pi r square. L can be written as area upon pi r minus r to whole square minus r square. I'm going to open the bracket whole power 1 by 2. It will become 1 by 3 pi r square. If anytime any confusion, you can raise your hand. It will become a square upon pi square r square. So it will be plus r square minus 2a upon pi r into r minus r square. This will get cancelled. So now, after this, we need to go to the next step, and that is whatever is cancelled will cancel, and rest part I'm writing 1 by 3 pi r square a square upon a square upon pi square r square minus 2a upon pi to whole power 1 by 2, because r square to r square I have cancelled. In the previous slide we can see This R to this R will cancel. 2a upon pi I have written. Pi square R square it is. So let us go to that. This is a. I'm making a square. That will become function of R equals to 1 by 9 pi square R4. A square upon pi square R square pi minus 2a upon pi. Open the bracket, it will become 1 by 9 a square R square minus 2 by 9 Yes, Vanshika.
सर वहाँ पे पाई आर आना चाहिए ना 2a अपॉन पाई आर.
पाई आर आना चाहिए. एक बार देखता हूँ मैं पीछे.
हाँ सर.
बेटे आर टू आर कैंसिल नहीं हो रहा है.
अच्छा ठीक सर.
ये देखो एक आर. यस. I suppose this step is okay now. Pi to 1 power cancel.
Yes sir.
A is missing. Fine. This becomes FR. Now I need to calculate F dash R. So F dash R will become equals to 1 by 9 A square. R square will become 2R minus 8 upon 9 pi A R cube. We need to put F dash R equals to 0. F dash R equals to 0. So it becomes 1 by 9 A square 2R is equals to 8 by 9 pi A R cube. Now we will cancel the terms, whatever we can cancel. A to 1 power cancel. R to 2 powers are left. 2 it becomes 4. So what we are getting, A is equals to 4 pi R square. A is equals to 4 pi R square. Area has come equals to 4 pi R square. Value for the thing, we are going to put over here the value of A. So the value of A will be it has come area is equals to 4 pi R square. The value of area is pi RL plus pi R square is equals to 4 pi R square. So pi RL will be equals to 3 pi R square. Pi to pi cancel, R to 1 power cancel. This gives me L is equals to 3R, or R upon L is equals to 1 by 3. R upon L is equals to 1 by 3. R upon L, as per the question, we have made a diagram in that this was R, this was L, this was H. So angle is semi-vertical angle is alpha. So R upon L means perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Perpendicular upon hypotenuse is sine alpha equals to 1 by 3. Alpha equals to sine inverse 1 by 3. This only was our target. to prove. This was supposed to be proved. Now we need to go to calculate f double dash r. So f dash r was with us as 1 by 9 a square into 2r minus 8 by 9 pi a r cube. This is f dash r. We need to go for f double dash r. F double dash r will be 1 by 9 a square into 2 minus 8 by 9 pi a 3r square. Now, whether it is positive or negative, that also we need to see. So for that, what must be done? We are going to put the value of any one of the things. So let me go to the previous slide. We have got area is equals to, we have got area in this slide, area is equals to 4 pi r square. That I'm going to put in the next. Area equals to 4 pi r square. If we'll put that value, it will be coming negative. By looking to this only, I can say negative means it will be maximum. Volume will be maximum. Volume will be maximum. Then when semi-vertical angle will be sine inverse 1 by root 3. When semi-vertical angle will be sine inverse 1 by root 3. So this was the question. It's one of the very good question also. I suppose you all are able to understand this. Please think about it once more. I'm showing you from the first slide, then we'll go to the next. Second slide. But I have a space little less to write. That's why you might face some problems like sir is doing the question in the very big area, 4 sheets I've taken. But when you will do in the board exam copy, it will take 1 sheet or maximum 1 by 4 sheet. Keep in mind, 2 topics from this chapter are deleted. One is rate of change, means the first exercise related questions, and approximation. That one is 4th exercise of the chapter related to that. Questions are also deleted. In miscellaneous exercise, question number 1 will not be coming in the exams. Same ways, 3rd question will not be coming in the exam. That's as soon as I'll come to the topic, I'll keep on telling you. Last slide. Now see this, we are going to the next question. Now almost every type of questions we have completed. A question is given in it, miscellaneous exercise question number 4. Find the equation of the normal to the curve. Y square is equals to 4x. We need to find the equation of the curve at point 1, 2, at point 1, 2. So first step is to calculate the slope of the tangent. So it will be 2y dy on dx will be equals to 4. So dy on dx, that is slope, will be equals to 2 upon y. Slope of normal will be equals to minus 1 upon dy upon dx, that is y upon 2. Slope of normal is 1 upon slope of tangent with the negative times. So now equation of normal is y minus y0 is equals to slope of normal minus 1 upon dy on dx x minus x naught. This slope is also at x naught, y naught. So with this, we will be able to do the question. So I suppose we must start putting the values. I suppose everybody will be able to do this. I should leave this. It's not very tough. Values are given to us and the slope is also with us. So try to put the values and get the answer. If doubt, then you can raise your hand. If you have got any doubt, then raise your hand. Otherwise, I must move to the next question. One step I'm showing you, y minus 2 is equals to minus 2 upon 2 x minus 1. Now, answer you can calculate x plus y plus 1 equals to 0. Sorry, x plus y equals to 3. It will be coming. Okay, let me write, no problem. Now, next, this question is one of the very good question. I'm trying to explain you in the best manner. This question I'm taking similar to question number 8 of miscellaneous. See, there is one ellipse. In this ellipse, there is one ellipse. In this ellipse, a rectangle is inscribed. A rectangle is inscribed in the ellipse. The question which is given to you is a triangle, isosceles triangle is inscribed. I'm taking rectangle. That won't create any big difference. So this point, we are supposing coordinates as x, y. This will be surely you are able to think on it. It is the fourth quadrant. So it will be x minus y. It will be minus x, y, and this will be minus x, minus y. Names A, B, C, D. Kashyap Saab, you are rarely coming to the class. Please be sincere towards your studies. Area will be equals to AD into DC. That is, now distances we need to calculate. AD will be under root x2 minus x1 to whole square plus y2 minus y1 to whole square x minus x to whole square plus y plus y2 whole square into CD or DC I'm taking. So x plus x2 whole square plus minus y plus y2 whole square. So C, this will cancel. In this will cancel. So 2y into 2x it will be coming. Area is coming. Square to root will cancel. Area is coming 2y into 2x. That is, area will be equals to 4xy. Now think, area is with us. Equation of the ellipse is x square upon a square plus y square upon b square equals to 1. With this, we will be able to put the value of y into the equation, that area form. So value of y I am going to calculate. Y square upon b square will be equals to 1 minus x square upon a square. Y square will be equals to b square upon a square a square minus x square. The value of y is coming b upon a under root a square minus x square. This is the value of y with us. Now area will become function of x. After one step, I'll show you that. 4x under root a square minus x square. Squaring both the sides so that calculation must become little cool. So fx will be equals to 16x square. Okay, Sachin, wait. A square minus x square. BA I have not written. That's why might be Sachin is raising his hand. So I must show you that also B upon A. So it will become B square upon A square. Sachin, same was the problem?
Yes, sir.
Sachin, okay. Okay, now f dash x. Now you should do this question. Please start solving this question. You will be able to do faster than me. I have also done the value of x. I have calculated with the value of x. I suppose we will be able to calculate the value of y also. Tell me the value of y. We need to put value of x in this, then only we will be able to calculate the value of y. I suppose the value of y will be coming b upon root 2. Yes, Dolly, am I right or something wrong?
Sir, correct.
Correct.
Okay. So now area. Area was 4xy. So it will be 4. X is a upon root 2 and y is b upon root 2. So it will become root 2 into root 2, 2ab is the maximum area. Now, last thing which we need to see is what was the area in exactly. Area was equals to means f dash x. I need to say 16. I must write somewhere that will be faster for me. 16 upon a square 2a square x minus 4x cube. F dash x was with us 16 upon a square 2a square x minus 4x cube. I can calculate f double dash x. 16 upon a square 2a square minus 12x square. Now the value of x I'm going to put, so that negative or positive I must get 16 upon a square 2a square minus 12. X is a upon root 2 whole square is there, so I'll put square. So it becomes 16 upon a square, 2a square minus 6a square. It becomes negative. So maximum area will be when it is x is equals to a by root 2 and y is equals to b by root 2. And the maximum area will be 2ab and maximum area will be 2ab. So like this way, we could do the question. Similar to this, you will be able to do question number 8 also. This is one of the very good questions. Please see once again to this question so that you must be able to understand. Diagram is the most important thing. This question has come number of times in the board examination. The same question which I have done in the screen, this one is from NCERT exemplar. This question is from NCERT exemplar that I have taken, and NCERT question you could do. So that I'm not doing, that you will be doing, and we will discuss about the problem if you are facing. Now in the next class, I'll be going to discuss about your doubts. In the next class, I'm going to discuss about your doubts of the chapter. Otherwise, we will move to the next chapter. So please be prepared, do many questions so that you must be able to score these two chapters. Last two chapters are in your syllabus of the unit test, also periodic test, I could say. So start preparing for your periodic tests also, so that you must be able to score the best marks in the upcoming periodic test. Tanuja, you can stop recording.